South Africa, wait for the dead man. I will bring down your country to the lowest country. South Africa, wait for the dead man of our time. If it's Hausa man, Nigeria can talk. If it's Yoruba man, Nigeria can talk. But it's for Igbo people, nobody can talk. But I is the man that can talk, and that can fight, and that can do something. I will bring South Africa to the depths that will make their country not to survive again. And the fight begins on Friday. Surrender your life to Jesus. There is nothing in the world out there. Come to Christ and humble yourself. We are see all those life and we bow to only one God and to only one power, and that man is Jesus Christ. South Africa, wait for the lion.